Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update Mazda CX-3 software. To begin, you will need to check your current infotainment system software version, which is found within the Settings menu. This step is important for determining the correct update files. Next, prepare a USB flash drive. It should have a minimum of 8 GB of storage. Finally, ensure your vehicle's battery is healthy or connected to a charger, as the update process can take some time and requires stable power. Once you know your current software version, you'll need to find and download the appropriate update files. These are typically available online, specific to your region and system. After downloading, format your USB flash drive to the FAT32 file system. This is crucial for your Mazda system to recognize it. Then, copy all the downloaded update files directly to the main or root directory of your prepared USB drive. Now, let's move to your vehicle. First, remove any navigation SD card or other connected devices from the USB ports. Turn your vehicle's ignition to the accessory mode, but do not start the engine. To access the diagnostic test screen, simultaneously press the music, favorite, and mute buttons on your command or switch for a few seconds. Once in the diagnostic menu, insert your prepared USB drive and select the appropriate update package to begin installation. The installation process typically takes about 40 minutes. It is critical not to turn off the ignition or interrupt the update once it has begun, as this could cause issues. The system will display a progress bar. Once the update is complete, remove the USB drive and restart your vehicle. Finally, navigate back to your infotainment system settings menu to verify that the new software version has been successfully installed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.